Hi, good afternoon. This is Garima, and today at TED Talks with BIS, we have Mr. Raghavendra Jha, CFO, Tessolve. We welcome you, sir.
Hi, Garima. Good afternoon to you and the viewer. Very happy to be here with you.
Thank you, sir. Could you brief us a little about Tessolve?
Yeah, I mean, we are a 20-year-old company and very happy to tell you that we have crossed 1,000 crore this year. We are into end-to-end service into semiconductor companies. Our range of services goes between pre-silicon to post-silicon, so it provides us an ability to service the semicon and product companies end-to-end. We are 3,000 plus engineers globally present. One of the rare, companies which has this positioning wherein entire life cycle of chip or semiconductor is taken care. As a proud Tesolvian, we have also completed 20 years as we speak this year. The company evolved initially focusing on test engineering, and over the period of 2 decades, now we had 6 to 7 acquisitions, and the company provides a lot of entrepreneurial backup to the all the acquisition that has happened. Most of the promoters continued with us, and they retired eventually when the time came, and it was very successful journey for each one of them. Our people oriented approach and engineering excellence, we believe, is our core. uh, and we see a very promising time for us as the semicon industry in India also is set up to rise as the new policies have been rolled out. And our global presence provides us a very unique positioning so far as our services are concerned.
Okay, sir. First of all, a very congratulations to you and Tessolve on reaching the 1,000 crore revenue milestone. And could you share the key strategies that led to this significant achievement?
Yeah, I mean, if you look at it, many things have worked well. One of the core thing that I wanted to touch upon is our but the principles that we live with on a daily basis, which is the excellence in execution, engineering excellence, and commitment towards our customer success. You would be finding it very unique with us that there are few customers who have given us an opportunity to work with them, say 15 years, 20 years back when we just started, and they are continuing to be our customers. So this long-term relationship also gives us a very ability to understand their requirements. Our strategic investment towards R&D is also enabling us to understand the right technology that market is turning towards, and our talent built up over period of time also helped. So if you see combination of excellence and customer orientation and KPI driven at every level of organization, which is aligned with customer priorities, these are core values which we live with, and that has helped us to reach where we are. And I'm very hopeful and very positively looking for future to support our core principles, to make us even bigger. And next high is very soon to come.
Right, sir. How has Tessolve's financial process evolved over the years to support such remarkable growth? And can you highlight some specific initiatives or technologies that played a crucial role?
Yeah, I mean, see, it's a journey. So and it is journey which will continue. So from wherever we would have started, from challenges wherein we have to arrange money for next payroll cycle, to currently we have a very healthy balance sheet. We are uh, you know uh, practically debt free. Whatever a little bit debts you would see is just for managing working capital. That's it. And we are able to do multiple acquisition based on our accruals. And what has happened in last few years is we have very rapidly adopted technology in our processes, whether it be a CRM or cloud-based ERP or project management, principles and dashboards. And right now we are having very good base to build a very large company on a great platform of processes and governance. Just to cite few more things, like we our auditors and governance partners are big four, big six. Our advisors and consultants are quite big names, and very I mean almost veterans of the areas that they hail from. Competency quality is our focus, and we kept on pursuing multiple certification and kept our focus on not deviating from other than be the best. And also in current times we have enhanced our cybersecurity priorities, data protection priorities to the great extent. So yeah, I mean it's a journey, and we are having a very good platform, and we have running programs which will make us better in visible future, and we know that this journey continues, and we keep on building on it.
Okay, sir. Can you discuss some of the processes and the improvements that have paved the way for Dissolve in becoming such a formidable force in the semiconductor industry?
Yeah, from a let me take on business side. On business side, our R&D is quite focused on creating world class solutioning for our customers. And then it also takes us to adoption of all the newer technology, including adoption of AI, and process automation. Everything is part and parcel of our life. And if I go to finance side, uh, uh, in last couple of years we have really done very good in our DSOs, the collection cycle, which also reflects health of our business, and we are much within range of the published large companies number, which means that we are our terms and collections have helped us in liquidity in large way. At the same time, the focus towards the our advantage towards having our cost base largely in India, and the tier 2 cities are programmed with academia, wherein we are able to train and bring in people on board at much early stage of their career. All this together has given us a very healthy run rate of EBITDA over last 5 to 6 years, and as well that helped us in having a continuous CAGR growth of 20% plus, and we look for future to support us with this growth number. Yeah, I mean these are few things which I can quickly rattle up between business and finance processes that has worked for us.
Okay, sir. What were some major challenges that you faced during this journey, and how did you overcome them?
See, one of the biggest hurdle that any semiconductor company or service company like us is facing is the talent deficit. I mean, there is a huge skill gap, and some of the reference goes back to few days, back when budget is announced in India,
Right.
and that the skill gap we are struggling for so many years in our industry, because we are very unique and high end engineering service provider. And to tackle it, we have our collaboration with academia. I mean, in university at an early stage, we do have our in-house programs, which has helped us. But yeah, I mean, long way to go. I mean, if as an industry, as a semiconductor service provider, if we want to continue our momentum, and the servicing size is around almost $100 billion, and with 1,000 crore, we believe that we are one of the largest company which has end-to-end service offering, or maybe possibly we are the only company with this size which is having end-to-end service, focused as a company to semicons. If we and if you see that it's just a scratching of the surface in the addressable market. If we have to continue growing and keep the momentum, we have to go a long way, and that is where we think. more and more skill building program will help us, and this is how we have addressed this challenge so far.
Okay, sir. What were okay? How does Tessolve approach the productization of the next generation semiconductor products?
Let me tell you that we have four BUs, business units or focus area, which is like chip design, full scale chip design, then engineering, test engineering that we do second. Third is our PCB design that we help customer, and then we also do embedded products. So we have ability to do a prototype, productization of any concept that customer comes with, and we can also do production. uh, we can help in production at a scale by outsourcing. We don't have manufacturing ability within in-house. So what happens is in our technical technology stack that hyperscaler and Google, such as Google, Microsoft, and other companies like Qualcomm, etc., has, we build our solution on top of it, and tries to solve or come out with new product which helps our customers achieve their goal. This is our largely philosophy, uh, and uh, and we have done multiple, worked on part of multiple product releases like that, and that works for us. So this is being a service company, having ability to work on the technology stack, on the technology stack that our technology partners have, and help them in coming out with the product of their desire, by giving them pre-silicon to post-silicon end-to-end service is what we do.
Okay, sir. So, what would you say? So, what would you say are Dissolve's plans to sustain this momentum now and to build more on this?
Yeah, so we want to remain focused on organic as well as inorganic. As I told you that we are very uniquely placed, wherein more than around 6 to 7 acquisition that we have done in past, all of them have given us a great result. So we believe that we have inorganic works for us well as well. So we want to remain focused on organic, inorganic, and inorganic. As you know, our journey started with as a test engineering company, and now we are end-to-end service provider. So the acquisition is always targeted to bridge the gap of skill, as well as or as well as capturing new customer, new geos. Right now, what we see is we are there in all relevant market, and what we want to do is we want to expand it big, and our headquarters will continue to be India. uh, at the same time, we want to be the leading company to adopt newer technology in current terms, such as AI, in everything that we do, whether internal processes or our service offering or test methodologies or any other thing. With this focus and a great support from our investors are Hero Group and Novotelus, and they're really supporting us. We have a great backup from entire board. I think if all this thing continues, we are very uniquely placed. Also, in a way, India is set for becoming a semiconductor hub. I can see sitting today a great journey and a possibility of significant growth rate for next 7 to 10 years, which in service industry is very difficult to talk about. But the way it is sequencing, it gives us to believe that we have a great growth journey ahead of us with all this.
Okay, sir. My last question to you would be like, are there any markets that excite you, or any technologies that you're excited and passionate to work in future?
In our industry, again, AI adoption is just beginning. We want to leverage it to the fullest. We are little ahead in this. Then possibly
I'm sorry to
collaborate.
interrupt.
Yeah.
Can you repeat the answer? I
So
think the
in
internet was lagging.
sorry, okay, I'll again restart. So in form of building more solution on multiple technology stack, which is currently available with hyperscalers such as Microsoft, Google, or semiconductor companies. We would like to be ahead of our peer group, or uniquely we have a great awareness of test engineering and product engineering design services. AI adoption is at the early stage in our industry, and we are heavily invested, and we are seriously considering it as a way of delivering way forward. So all these combination of couple of these things will keep us ahead of time, and also our ability to do a turnkey program, which is end to end, taking responsibility of delivering the product. We have started getting a lot of success in that area, so we want to build on that, and we want to, of course, being first choice as a service partner for all the semicon company as well as product companies.
Great, sir. Thank you for taking time out and answering the questions, and thank you for such a wholesome and thought provoking session.
Thank you very much. Nice to be here, and nice meeting you.